If you're tired of feeling like you're doing everything yourself, maybe it's time for a change. Let's chat and I'll show you how you can get back to doing what you love without all the stress of your social and your content production. Let me help you take that next step. A simple automation that just recreates, repurposes what you have already, your personality, your business's personality. It's not changing anything, just repurposing your content the way you want it to be done. You can do YouTube, you can do Instagram, you can do Pinterest. It's fantastic. It's basically just repurposing your content the way you want it to be done. That you'll find it very valuable to take a look and see how you can use automation to repurpose your existing content. This is a very simple schedule in a program called make.com, and it takes a piece of content that you have created and repurposes it and sends it out to whatever platform you're wanting to send your content to, and that's obviously the platform where your customers are targeting your current customers, your potential customers, and everybody that might be interested in your product by repurposing your existing content and sending it out through this schedule to be able to save you time creating your social in the volume that the algorithms are needing to be able to get some free organic traffic. There is a free audit available for your website, for your Etsy store, whichever you would like to have audited, and then we can show you what we think we can do with the content that you have already and what content would be good to promote. Let's chat.